Here are 10 reasons why creating your own YouTube journey in the year 2024 should be the best decision you ever make. Creating creativity, income, influence, and much more. Reason number one, get discovered. YouTube is a second largest search engine globally. The platform records about 2.5 billion active users every month. Whatever you engage as a means of livelihood, get more awareness through YouTube. Are you a teacher, an artisan, an entertainer, a merchandise, or selling your own products? YouTube presence increases your chances of being discovered by a wider audience. Go to YouTube and search for Ajo Mbise. You will be amazed seeing the products and its review. Reason number two, potential for income. YouTube is a social media where you can monetize your skills, your passion, personal goals, and goals. Many YouTubers make money through AdSense, sponsorship, and merchandise sales. With efforts and dedication, you can turn your channel into a source of income. Reason number three, connectivity and expansion. Having a strong online presence can open many doors. People around the globe go to know you and what you do. The size of your network determines the size of your net worth. If you are good in what you do, connections and the trust come naturally because people who see you often and they develop KLT, they got to know you, like you, and they trust you. Reason number four, keeping a legacy. The uniqueness of YouTube is that your content lasts as long as YouTube as a social media exists. Your videos can serve as a lasting record of your thoughts, experiences, and achievements. Your children, grandchildren, and the generations down the line can look back on your content and the stories to understand and they appreciate your contributions. Reason number five, setting the record straight. YouTube provide a space to clarify misconceptions, share your side of the story, and it presents accurate information on various topics, helping to ensure that the truth is known. Lots of lies and false teachings and informations have infested on social media. Your channel will help to debunk these informations and abnormalities. It is said that evil spread when good men and women do nothing to correct it. Reason number six, self-development. Creating content open various challenges and equations which you must engage yourself in researching. How do I create better videos, better thumbnail, better editing? How do I improve with the better scripting? The more searches you make, the more improvements you record. Reason number 7, influence and impacts. There is nothing more fulfilling than helping someone across a bridge. People watch your videos for various reasons. Either they want to know how to scale up their contents, how to be entertained, how to learn a new skill or topic. Impacting knowledge on people whose desire is to learn gives joy and satisfaction. Reason number 8, future opportunities. Success on YouTube can lead to other opportunities like collaboration, media appearances, or even launching your own business. It can be a stepping stone to various exciting possibilities. Reason number 9, building a community. You can connect with people who share your interests and a passion, creating a loyal audience and building a supporting community around your content. Reason number 10, freedom and flexibility. The videos and affiliate links embedded on your channel can keep generating income for years ahead. Besides, you can work from anywhere in as much as you are connected. For those who have developed interest to start YouTube journey, I have decided to organize small and easy to understand videos as to help you in your YouTube space. Click on the video on the screen to start immediately.